Hey guys, welcome to GV's Academy. In this video, we'll see how to add products. So in our last video, we have installed WooCommerce, and along with WooCommerce plugin, we have also installed this theme, or else you can say starter site, right? Because of which we have got this beautiful design and dummy products. So now let's go ahead and add our first product. And how to do that, let's see. Go to dashboard. Go browse and see for products, and here you'll have this option called as all products. Open that. Here you'll be redirected to a page where you will be able to see all the products that are in our WooCommerce store. Right now there are around 12 products, as you can see here, and here it's the thumbnail, and this is the title of the product, and SKU there is none. We haven't added any SKU, which is for stock management and inventory management purpose. You can add it for your store if it is required. And here it says if it is in stock or not, and price, categories, tags, publish date, etc. So in case you don't want to install the theme or template that I installed in my last video, then here in this page you will not see any products installed by default. So what you need to do is you will have to add your first product, and then you need to click for that you need to click here on add new. Okay, so this is the page where we will be able to add new products. So let me add and show you here. In this first bar you need to add your product name or title, whatever you call it, and it is my test product. Right, this is a test product for training. You can add any title over here. It has to be the product name, or and also it is best that you use some SEO related keywords so that it ranks higher on Google search engine as well, right? And then here you can add something description. For me, let me copy some dummy text. I'm just picking up some random text. You need to add your product description over here, right? You can also mention it in point wise, right? This is more cleaner. If you make it like this, it will be more cleaner, right? And then you can also add your heading as well. Right, okay, fine. So now scroll down below and make sure you select simple product from this drop down. There are four types of products that we can add in WooCommerce, and right now in this video I'll show you how to add simple product. I am showing you how to add simple product, and I will make separate videos for these three options, right? So simple product is nothing but there is a physical product in our fulfillment center, and once someone orders this, places an order in your store, you will have to ship the product to the customer, and this is how fulfillment is done. And there are some other options: grouped product, external affiliate product, variable product. I will explain it in other upcoming videos of this series itself. And there is also option called as virtual product or downloadable product. So I will also explain about this two options as well, but right now you don't have to check this options. You Right now we are only uploading a product which is physical in nature, and we'll have to ship it to the customer once the order is placed. So we'll just select simple product, and then you can add regular price 1000, and suppose sale price is 800, right? And then scroll down. Here on the left side you have this option. In general, you need to add general menu, you need to add your price. In inventory, you need to add the SKU, something, whatever prefixes you use. Just for your CRM purpose and stock management and all those things. So if it is in stock, if the product is in stock, you just mention it is in stock. If it is not, out of stock or on back order, you can select the options as per your preference. If the product is in stock and you want to sell those products and take the order, then you need to uh, click on this in stock button. And in case you want to manage stock, you can click this option and enter the stock quantity. Suppose it is a limited quantity and you only have 25 products left in your store, you need to add 25 over here, so that once the stock once 25 orders are placed, WooCommerce will automatically place it in out of stock order. And do you want to oversell? Once you are out of stock, do you want to sell it? Do you want to take orders or not? Allow but notify customers, allow, do not allow. Generally, we do not allow, but you can change this option. And low stock threshold is you will get a notification as soon as the stock reaches this level, so that you can bring that particular product in stock. And once again, I want to get notified as soon as the stock reaches 5 unit, right? So that it will be an intimation for me that, okay, Rakesh, this product is getting out of stock and you need to buy more products. You need to get those products in your store. And enable this only allow one item to be bought in a single order. Generally, Amazon and Flipkart doesn't allow you to buy in bulk unless you have a wholesale or business account. So if it is mobile or something, you're selling to direct customers. You don't want to sell it on a wholesale price. So you don't want people to buy in bulk and sell them for higher price to the customers. So in that case, you need to check this box here, so that one account will can only place one order of this particular product. Generally, we don't want, they can purchase any number of products they want. I don't prefer this option. And then coming to this last option, here you'll need to add a short description, just one or two liner. That's it. Because it will help in archive page or SEO purpose, and wherever the product is being shown in a grid format or a list format, uh, in an archive page or in SEO. So at that time, this short description will be displayed, and also this will be displayed in a products single product page as well. And once this is filled, scroll up, and then here on the right side, you'll have this option called as publish. You can hit publish here, but before clicking the publish button, you have some other options over here. First, you need to assign some categories to this product. Suppose you are in a food industry or groceries industry, right? This store is all about selling groceries and juice. So you can see there are two categories of products. One is juice and another one is groceries. What does this product belong to? Which category does this product belongs to? I need to select that. I will select groceries, right? Make sure you select some categories of product, some categories, so that it doesn't go under uncategorized. If you don't select any categories, by default, WooCommerce will assign it into uncategorized. You don't want to do it. So in case you don't have your category over here, just click on this button over here and add your category, that whatever you want. cookies. If it is a child category, then you'll have to select a parent category. If it is itself is a parent category, then you don't have to do it anything. You don't have to do anything. Just click on add new category. It will come over here. Okay. If it is if this product belongs to cookies as well, then you can check this option. But I will only select this grocery option because this product belongs to groceries, right? Similarly, you can do the same thing for tags as well. Tags will help in suppose your store grows bigger and people in the sense customers can search your products very easily in case you tag it with certain tags. This is just a test product, so just type test, and if it is not present, if this tag is not present, then we will have to add this test category. You can add as many as tag as possible if you want, right? And then Astro settings is nothing but this theme setting. You don't have to worry about this. And product image, of course, if you are uploading product, then definitely the product will have some image, right? Select the product image. You need to click on this set product image, and then you can either upload it from your system, or else you can, if you have already uploaded in your library, in your this instance, you'll be able to see all these images already available within the store. So I'll select some random images and set this as a product image. The product image has been set now, and it is good option, it is a good practice to add more images of a product rather than just one single image. If it is recommended to add at least 2 to 3 images of the same product so that customer can see the product image in detail. I'll select this one and this one and this one as well. I'll click on add to gallery. So if you have noticed, I did not enter alt tag, right? You need to enter alt tag. This is just for demonstration purpose. I'm randomly selecting the images. And then this one. These are just random images that I'm selecting. You need to select your product image. And now scroll to the top and then click on publish. You can see the URL of the product that is being added, and this is the link of the product which has been uploaded right now. And if you open it, so congratulations, you have successfully added. As you can see, this is the short description that we added here. Whatever we add here, it will be displayed on the right side of the product. This is the title. This is the breadcrumb where it is a form. This is a breadcrumb, and WooCommerce will assign it by itself. Homepage in that groceries category, and within that category, this is the product name. This is what it means, right? This is our price, and right now it's striked, and because it is in sale, so right now product price is 800. It was 1000. And then availability 25 stocks, 25 available in stocks, and customers can select the quantity to order, and then they can add to cart, and then they can purchase. Remember, we added SKU, so you can see the SKU is being displayed over here as well, and categories, groceries, tag, it is test, right? And then we added product image. This is on sale, product image. We can zoom in here, and then this is what it is. If we and one more important thing is, just make sure you add images that are of same dimensions. Try not to add images that are of different dimensions so that user experience will get hampered. I just uploaded 4 images over here, but this particular image of garden or some water jet its dimension is not right. So let me remove it. Just click on delete image and then go ahead and update it. Let me see, refresh. The image has been removed now, right? So now it looks uh, at least professional. Of course, these are dummy images. You need to add your product images. This is the main product image. Okay. And here you can see all the description that we added in a list format. And this is related products, in the sense groceries categories, products belonging to groceries, which is category, it is displaying here. We can customize the front end look, design, colors of these buttons and header and footer, everything. I will cover this in the end of this series, WooCommerce series. But before that, we will learn everything about setting up the backend functionalities of WooCommerce, right? And yes, this is how we add simple products, and you can sell physical products this way, right? If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. And in the next video, I'll tell you how we can sell digital products, how we can sell our services, and how we can sell virtual products, and how we can sell ebooks and stuffs like that. It will be more interesting, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.